Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you are doing well. This is TJ's Math and Further Math Adventures. Please, if you're new here, consider subscribe, hit the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new content. Thank you for joining me in today's presentation, looking at question from NECO November 2009, question 4. Then question 2 is from NECO November 2009, question 11. The question reads, solve the equation 3 power x power 2 equals to 27 power x divided by 9. We are asked to solve for x in this first question. Question number 2, solve bracket open x plus 1 bracket plus power 2 equals to 9 divided by 25. So let's write down the solution here and see how we can handle this. The first thing for us to do is to identify this question 1 is from which topic. Of course, this question is from indices, and this is indices involving quadratic equation. Of course, this question will lead to quadratic equation. So let's write down the question. We have 3 power x power 2 equals to 27 power x divided by 9. This is how the question is. If we check this question very well, the lowest base here is 3. So it means we have to write 27 in its lowest base of 3 as well as 9. 27 is the same as 3 power 3. Then 9 is the same as 3 power 2. So I can write this as 3 power x power 2 equals to 3 power 3 power x divided by 3 power 2. So you realize that the base on the left hand side and the right hand side are the same. That's 3, 3, 3. Okay? So let's take this here. 3 power x power 2 will be equals to 3 power 3x divided by 3 power 2. So we can apply division law of indices here. The base are the same, then we can subtract the power when we are dividing. Okay? So this is the same thing as 3 power x power 2 will be equals to 3 power 3x divided by 3 power 2. We now apply division law of indices here. This will be 3 power x power 2 will be equals to 3 power 3x minus 2. Since the base are the same and we are dividing, we subtract the power. That will be 3x minus 2. Okay, the base are the same on the left hand side and the right hand side. From one of the laws of indices, if we have a power m is equals to a power n, it means m will be equals to n. This is the law we will apply here now. Okay, the base are the same on both the left hand side and the right hand side. We can equate the power. This will be x squared now will be equals to 3x minus 2. Of course, this is a quadratic equation because the leading power here is 2. So, and quadratic equation is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So we have to write this in this form. Okay? So let's write this now. This will be x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. So we can use factorization method or completing the square method or formula method to solve this, to solve for x now. So x squared times 2, that would be 2x squared. 2 factors of 2 that can give you 2 and give you minus 3. Of course, it will be minus 2x and minus x. So this will be x squared minus 2x minus x plus 2 equals to 0. So the 2 factors now will replace it with the middle term, which is minus 3x. So we can group this way and factor out. So what is common here? By factoring, what is common here is x into x minus 2. What is common here, of course, is minus 1 into x minus 2 equals to 0. So you realize that what we have in the brackets are the same. We pick what we have outside the bracket. That will be x minus 1, then x minus 2 equals to 0. So it means either x minus 1 is equals to 0 or x minus 2 is equals to 0. So x minus 1 is 0 or x minus 2 is 0. So x now will be 1 or x is equals to 2. So this is the value of x because we are asked to solve for x. So x is 1 or x is minus 2. Okay, we can check if we want. By the time we plug the value of x as 1 into this equation, 3 power 1, 1 power 2 is 1, that's 3. We have 3 on the left hand side. Let's put 1 here. That will be 27 power 1, which is 27. 27 divided by 9, of course, is 3. So the left hand side and the right hand side are the same. So truly, x is 1. What about 2? If we put 2 here, 2 power 2 is 4. That will be 3 power 4. 3 power 4, of course, is 81. Okay, if we put 27 power 2 here divided by 8, it will still give us 81. The left hand side and the right hand side are the same. So truly, the value of x as well is 2. So let's move to question 2. Let's move to question 2 and see how we can handle it. Okay, question 2. Let's write down question 2 here. We have x plus 1 power 2 equals to 9 over 25. There are many ways we can handle this. We may decide to take the square root of both sides to remove this square here. You can say take the square roots of both sides. That's another method. That will be the square root of x plus 1 all square will be root 9 over 25. Okay? And this square root means half. Square root means half. So meaning this will take care of this. We'll be left with x plus 1 equals to square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 25 is 5. But since we're taking the square root of both the left hand side and the right hand side, we must put plus or minus here. Anytime you're taking the square root of both the left hand side and the right hand side, you have to put plus or minus. So we can find x here. So x will be equals to minus 1 plus or minus 3 over 5. So x will be equals to minus 1. We can pick the positive now. That will be plus 3 divided by 2, but divided by 5, or minus 1 minus 3 over 5. So x will now be equals to 5 times minus 1. It will be minus 5. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 over 5. Or 5 times minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 5 minus 3, that will be minus 8. That will be minus 8 over 5. So this will be the value of x, minus 2 over 5 or minus 8 over 5. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues.